Hello YouTube, we're both recording. I let her use my mom's computer so we could record, so let's go play some Livescape. Let's go. Which one should we do?
I would say
Easy. Yeah, easy.
because I barely played this before. Because I'm at 1 win.
I have 3 wins. She has 1 win. Aha! I'm ragdolling. Wait a flip. Hello.
Whoa!
Wait, what? You can like see it? What? You're glitching.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are. Look at you.
Okay, yeah, I think my screen is stuck. I hate it. Back down.
Bruh. Come on. 4 out of 8 players left. We might as well spectate. Which one? Ashley. I played with Ashley before. Ashley? Who's Ashley?
I'm gonna spectate hard. No one is doing hard like
We're about to beat the game. Yay, they won!
Yay, finally! Let's see if I
The
die in the
intermission
first
15,
round.
14, 13, 12, 11, 10,
I shouldn't
9,
die in the first round.
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Dead. Game is ready. Round beginning. Finally.
We're being. Oh, that guy wants to.
Oh, we have to get up here, Alicia. Get up to the top. Do not touch the glass. Or else it. See? It's gonna break. Where are you? I don't see you. Oh god, oh god.
I'm up there.
Help, I'm gonna die.
I'm in.
Here.
Oh, yeah, that's how you play. Why are you bothering me? That's my only big hope.
Hey, move, girl. This game is a game about parkour and stuff. Parkour.
Are you in already?
She just killed herself. Well, I actually kind of killed her because I got her away.
Ow! Oh,
LOL.
oh.
Come on, get up here. The blue lights, whenever you hit those just make it more easy to escape. But the green light opens up the door to where you can escape. Here, hurry up. Hurry up, Vandala. We need to stick together. Vandala, how do you not see me?
I see him just looking at me. Dude.
Come on. We gotta stick together.
No access. What?
Ha, LOL, you're not supposed to go this way. Alicia, you're going the wrong way.
No.
It's actually over here.
You.
Oh god. Oh right. You have to go up here, then over here, then over here. What did I do?
We were supposed to get up there.
Oh.
Oh, we're supposed to.
Oh, I made the jump.
I'll show you.
We'll escape. You just got in my way. I'm lucky I didn't die.
I'm just following this guy.
Remember, we added a rule to where if we kill each other, then we have to reset during the next round.
I didn't know that. You just made that up.
No.
This is a secret code.
Yeah. I cannot believe we're already getting a win right off the line, right
You don't
off
know
the
that.
bat.
You might. Oh look. Wow.
See, boy? Told ya.
I escaped. I have 2 escapes now.
Now I have 4. Guess what? I'm trying to get the weak gravity coil. It really helps you out. Oh god, we gotta
No,
move.
I might not make it. I might not make it.
Phew, I'm in. It's full. LOL to those people. They can't make it.
I can't make it then.
Come on, let's
There
go.
we go. Oh, it's the same thing that we just did.
Oh, it is stained glass again.
I'm not gonna push all the buttons. I'm just gonna wait till all of them push the buttons.
LOL. Wait, where are you?
I'm up there. I'm up here.
Oops. I might have not made it.
What? William?
What do you mean?
I can see you. I'm just
John,
spectating.
what are you
you.
doing, John?
Spectating you. Are you in yet?
Yeah, I'm in. I'm at the end.
Really? You're at the end?
Yeah, look. Look at...
I know.
Alright, plumbing.
Plumbing.
What
I just
the
got knocked
flip?
down. I can't get up.
Oh, you got me.
I got up.
Why are you shaking something out?
I can't even get up.
Stop it.
You are up.
I know. I'm dying.
You died. You didn't make the jump. Spectate me. Spectate me. Alicia, spectate me. That you can still get a little action. Cause I just made it. LOL.
Olivia.
It's like everybody here's like gravity coils. Are you not? Why are you not spectating
I
me?
don't know. I actually went in here.
Oh, you're in medium. Well, you're effed up. You effed up. You effed up big time.
Once I tried hard, but I failed.
Hard is very hard. It's not just hard, it's very hard.
How am I? Wow.
If I die, I'm dead. Literally.
I'm in. I'm the second one in.
Oh god. Are we
Okay, that bit is kinda
seriously on this one? This one's so hard.
No.
I'm so dead.
How are we supposed
I
to
should
make it?
kill myself, but I won't.
No.
No! I couldn't make the jump! But,
No,
oh!
I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. I know that I'm gonna die. Yeah, I'm gonna die. Yeah, I died. Ashley,
I'll meet you back when we're in another round. Alright
Yeah,
guys, I am
right.
back in another round. Oh no. Oh no. Did you make it?
No, I'm pretty sure I'm not gonna make it. Yeah. I messed up. I'm not gonna kill myself.
This music I've never heard.
I'm going medium again. No.
Support.
Is anyone gonna join me?
Wait, did you die?
I'm in medium.
Why? Why you in medium, boy?
Because the easy game is. Well, it's only me and this other guy.
I'm ragdolled for some reason.
Almost fell down.
Oh, this one's hard.
Dude, you didn't. That was a very easy jump, and you just didn't make it. Ethan, you're gonna die. Who didn't press the button? Oh no, I'm not gonna press that button. Ethan can't. No, I'm gonna do it. Ethan! Are you just gonna. Oh my gosh. I made it!
We're gonna do it.
Ethan,
We're gonna get another win.
Ethan, come on.
This dude's messing me up.
Ethan is messing me up.
There.
He's not listening to me.
Ba-da-ba-da-boo. Yay, we escaped. How am I the lucky one? I always escape. And apparently it's not even recording my face cam. I don't know why. I don't know
You're
why.
just gonna leave me behind? Can I make this jump?
Bam!
Butt down. Come on.
Thank you, Ethan.
I'm
for
going
leaving
back
me.
and easy, boy.
Oh, I made it. Come on, Ethan.
I only have 5 more minutes for my video.
Ethan, I don't think Ethan's gonna make it. Oh, he did. It's impressive.
I only have 5 more minutes left for my video. Because we have a max time. Very well, because I already need. This jump's so hard. Or we don't have to do the jump. We can, boy. Quit. Oh, I made it and this girl didn't. She was like, I'm dead. Well, I was like, nope, I'm escaping, boy. There's only one more player. Come on, hurry
No,
up.
there's 2.
No, in my game.
No, there's 2. See? 1, 2, 3.
I was talking about, like, not including this dude.
Why not including that dude? Why do you only go on easy? How come you never go on medium and difficult?
I don't know. We need to press all these blue buttons. Bruh, we have to go up here. And then you walk over here, big boy.
Oh, he just died. Yeah, you need to jump on there and then get that.
Yeah, I died.
Wow.
I suck! I just taunted. Now, I'm gonna show you guys the
Get down.
thing. What she was doing, training.
Why, William? You're not gonna. Yeah, you're definitely not gonna make it. We're on easy, and you're. Yeah, you can't make it. Yay, the round is beginning.
I'm gonna go show you guys this, which I completely suck at.
I completed 2 rounds of it.
Oh my god, if I make this. I think YouTube videos are giving me good luck, and I just died.
Wow. How? Oh. This is how you get up. Dude, I almost.
I'm supposed to get my hyper rare today. I wonder when it's coming in. This is so hard. Oh my god, beat this.
Oh. Dirt. That's easy.
No, I keep dying.
What?
I'm going to reaction.
No,
What is this? Green. Oh, this is what it is. You have to go on green. No, I failed.
What are you playing?
I'm playing on the training thing. What is it? Oh, I was already on it. Oh god.
That's not fair.
I made it!
Yes, let me get in.
No, I didn't make it. Let's do Code Cracker.
I already.
Yeah, this is hard.
Code Cracker?
I'm just gonna do this again. Get ready. Blue. I was already on blue. Bruh. Get ready. I made it. We made it. Yes. Oh god. Oh, I made it again. Get ready. I made it again.